Hello my friends, I am Marunis and welcome to my channel Media for You Too. I am the one who makes the videos and collects these pictures. I think it is time to share with you an opportunity to earn a gift for free. So welcome to We Do Gift.
The holidays are rapidly approaching, and given this year's supply chain delays, we advise everyone to begin their shopping early. In fact, we think it's never too early to start thinking about the greatest gifts. And here at We Do Gift, we take great satisfaction in providing our readers with the best gifts for free for each occasion, whether it's for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or Christmas. We've got you covered, whether you're looking for the newest high-end tech presents or something thoughtful and unique for everyone without blowing your budget.
When it comes to gifting your mother, sister, work wife, or any other influential woman in your life, the best gifts for women are more about making a thoughtful gesture than finding a shiny object. After all, with so much that has happened in the last year, a truly thoughtful gift demonstrates that you can be her silver lining even in the strangest and worst of times.
We found hundreds of thoughtful gifts for women. No matter who you're shopping for or what your budget is, ranging from lovely jewelry to top-shelf staples and chic smart home enhancements. You don't even need a special occasion to get out the ribbons, like an anniversary, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or the start of her zodiac season. A present given out of the blue is always appreciated and, in many cases, more meaningful than one given in response to a specific request.
That being said, the holiday rush will be upon us before you know it, so getting your gifting done early this year to avoid shipping and manufacturing delays is definitely the way to go. Whoever is on your mind as you scroll through this gallery, and maybe, just maybe, you've found a few great gift ideas for yourself as well.
What about We Do Gift?
In We Do Gift you will find a lot of present for you if, for example, a Netflix for free,
or watching Disney Now for free.
Also MasterCard gift card.
Or to get a brand new PS5.
There is also a shopping spree.
You can also install a lot of application into your mobile for free. We Do Gift. Go ahead.
How to join We Do Gift.
I wanted to show you guys some of the projects I make around the holidays to give as gifts. If you want to start earning online, you need to check below my video. I put 2 links. The first one to get access to the site web of We Do Gift.
Or if you are really interested, you can install the application also by clicking on the second link. Then enjoy the application on your mobile.
Please remember that We Do Gift is only available in the United States of America. I will share with you We Do Gift for the other countries soon.
Thank you so much for watching my newest video. Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this one, and many more. Every one of you means the entire world to me, and I couldn't thank you enough for all of your support. I love you all so much.